If you've ever been around a young teenage boy or a husband or, let's face it, any male, sorry guys, you've probably heard the term SBD, usually followed by uncontrolled giggling. In the event that you've never heard of it before, SBD stands for silent but deadly, and in the context of boys is usually followed by a distinctive negative odor, if you know what I mean. But today, let's talk about the other SBD gas, also known as radon. Hi, I'm Carrie Palmore, a licensed real estate agent with Premier Property Group. And today I want to give you a quick education on radon, a silent but deadly gas. January is Radon Awareness Month, and I wanted to make sure that you understood a little bit more about this. The EPA estimates that about 1 in 15 homes in the US have high levels of radon. Well, what is radon? Radon gas is a colorless, odorless, and tasteless radioactive gas. It's formed by the breakdown of uranium, which is a natural radioactive material found in soil, rock, and groundwater. It is also the second leading cause of lung cancer. Here are some common ways that radon can enter your home. Through construction joints, cracks in solid floors, cracks in the wall, cavities inside the wall, gaps around service pipes, water supply, basement sump pumps, fireplaces, pipe entrances. Every structure has radon, but how do you know if you have acceptable levels? Well, there's an easy test to find out if you have radon. A home inspector can set up a little radon test unit in your home. This is a little box that sits inside of the inside wall of your house for about 48 hours. During this time, it's measuring radon levels. And while the tests are going on, it's important to keep windows and doors closed outside of your normal use, like coming and going. And at the end of the test period, the inspector picks up the unit and he lets you know what the levels are. The US standard is 4.0 PCIL, which stands for picocuries per liter, or something like that. This measures the speed of decay in radon. The cost of the test is around $150 and it's completely non-invasive. So what should you do if you find high levels of radon? There are many radon mitigation companies who can come out and install a radon system in the crawl space of your home. The cost ranges based on how big the space is and what they have to do to reroute the gas out of the crawl space. I've seen costs somewhere around $1,500 or so for installation, but of course that's going to vary based on many factors such as location and size and other considerations. So here's what you need to know. If you are buying a home, you want to include a radon test as part of your inspections. And if high levels are found, have your agent negotiate a mitigation unit as part of your repairs. If you're selling a home, be aware that your buyer might ask for this if you have higher levels in your house. I'll put a couple links in the description below in case you want to read more about radon. Please make sure to hit subscribe below so that you don't miss any of my videos. And if you have any other home buying or selling questions, feel free to reach out to me as well, because I am never too busy to help you or any of your referrals. Make it a great day.